Yeah.
We're gonna give Teddy his first bath. That's nice, isn't it, Teddy?
Sneeze. Do you like that, Teddy? Jimmy, you can also use this. Hold the button, Jim.
I'll do it.
Oh, you go. You gotta rub it in. Teddy.
Teddy. Teddy.
Teddy. Come here. Can I?
Yeah, Ma, you gotta hold him.
Yeah.
Teddy, stay here.
Oh, not on his head. You get it in his ears, that's not good.
Hey, Danny.
Yeah.
You want to volunteer to get up in his junk?
No.
His junk has to be cleaned. There we go. Now your junk's nice and clean. Here, come back in. I'll rub it in. Oh, does that smell good, Teddy? You're gonna smell really good?
Good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy.
You want to clean his butt, Ma?
Yeah, I'll get. You got underneath his neck? In the front?
Don't get it in his eyes.
Yeah. You get his legs?
Bless you, Teddy.
You get his legs?
That Teddy?
Good boy.
You getting a little chilly?
Hold his neck up and make sure his ears.
Here, get his ears.
Oh. Oh. Hold his head up so I could get. Oh.
It's okay, baby.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh.
It's okay.
Oh, it's okay,
I think he
baby.
likes it.
It's okay, baby.
Kisses. Kisses. Kisses.
One more time over here. And I think he's done.
Kisses. Teddy.
He got all his junk in his trunk.
Kisses. Teddy, give me kisses.
His
on,
junk
give me
in his trunk. Did you get his paws?
No.
I just want to get his paws here. Oh, but oh, I'm
Put it
sorry.
right in the head, Ma.
Oh, I'm sorry. A little tiny drop. Okay. Garbage? You don't need that much.
Here, I'll just take it. You gotta get all your paws, Teddy.
Okay. Okay.
Teddy, now you got a nice warm blanket. Or a towel or whatever. Got a nice warm towel now, Teddy.
One more rinse.
Nice warm towel.
Alright.
All
There
done.
you go.
Who's a good
Wrap his back around.
Who's a good boy?
Oh, there you go, shaking.
Let him shake, Mom. Let him, like, get all dry.
Oh, oh.
You like that, Teddy?
You're gonna be damp for a while.
Oh, it's okay.
Well done.